So a question that some people phone up and ask us is, I've just had a spillage on my carpet. I've tried to clean it. I can't get it out. Can you get it out? Well, the bottom line with that is it just depends enormously on what that stain was. What we find quite often is that if people have used certain cleaning products, I won't name them here, but they are very readily available and advertised for supermarket purchase, is that they can actually lock the stain in if they don't clean it out straight away. We do find that tea and coffee spills are actually more difficult to clean out once they have been attacked with different products. And in all honesty, if you find that you've used several different products on a tea or a coffee stain, we are probably not going to be able to do an awful lot with it. In most cases with that sort of thing, we can actually make it look better, but we can't ever give you any guarantees anyway.